Hi guys, this is Victor, and in this video I would like to share with you how I was able to fix our range. One day we've heard a loud popping sound and the range shut off and stopped working completely. A range is a very high voltage device, so before we begin we want to cut off all the power to it for safety reasons. Next, I pulled out the range from its bay to access the back side of it. Next, we need to unplug the range from high voltage power outlet. Next, I removed 4 screws securing the back cover. Then I removed the back cover to reveal the logic board. After a quick visual inspection, I found the element that was obviously blown because it had black burn marks all around it. I am personally not really good at logic board repairs, so I just found a brand new logic board online and replaced it. And if you're interested, I'm gonna post a link in the description area below where you can find it. Just make sure to enter your range brand name and the model number in the search box to be able to find the correct replacement part. Next, we're gonna disconnect all of the wires and electrical connectors from old logic board. And before you unplug anything, you may want to take a picture or at least write down what wires go where, so you don't mix them up when you're gonna be putting everything back together. Next, we're gonna remove 4 bolts holding the logic board. Now we should be able to take out the logic board assembly. The new logic board looks a little different from the original one. It seems like it's been redesigned, but all of the connectors look the same, so I think we should be okay here. And here's also a closer look at that blown relay. And this is how bad it looks inside after I took it apart. Next, I'm going to try to reuse the front plate for the control board, which is held in place with pretty strong adhesive. You can use a heat gun or hair dryer to soften the adhesive and then use a utility knife to deattach the front plate. The front plate is very fragile, and if you break it by accident, you can just buy a replacement one. Next, attach the front plate to the new logic board assembly. And finally, install the new logic board and properly reconnect all of the wires. Also, don't forget to plug in the range and test it to make sure it's working well. That's pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more DIY tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.